Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. I'm going to do a little tool haul video for you. I went to the Spring Black Friday parking lot sale at Harbor Freight. We got the things in the bags, we got more stuff on the floor that we'll show you all and see what I paid for everything. I went on Thursday, which was the Inside Track Club member day. So the nice thing about going on Thursday is, one, it gives me more time to make a video and put it out so you guys can actually watch something that's relevant and the sale's not over by the time I get the video uploaded. But also you don't have to worry about things being out of stock because a majority of the people haven't gotten a chance to get there yet. And that was my problem with the last parking lot sale, is the toolboxes I wanted were already out of stock by the time I made it to the sale. So I'm going to show you guys the stuff I got. I wanted to do a shopping video in the store, but yesterday was a day, man. So I just ran to the store real quick, came back, and didn't get a chance to do a video. A lot of you guys like to guess in the comments of what store I'm at. It's going to be hard to guess in this video since it's a haul, but I'll just let you know I was in Hanover Park in Illinois. And it was a really good store because the cashier was cool about it. She let me do 2 transactions, so I got 2 free items and used a 20% off coupon twice. So I'll show you the small transaction I did first. For my free item, I just got some scissors, because I actually needed them. I had a pair of scissors that, they might have even been these free ones, I'm not sure, where the handle actually broke right here, and that makes it pretty hard to use. So they're normally only 99 cents. It's not the best value as far as free items, but I have all the free stuff, so it was something I actually needed. Then I picked up a pair of their new Bremen locking pliers, Vise grips. This is the bigger ones, 9 inch, I can't read. And you can see it's like the needle nose style. They call it long nose. I've never owned a pair of these before, and that's why I decided to get them. I've used them before, and I've never been happy because the ends seem to like twist and don't really hold real well. But I never owned this brand. I mean, you know what I mean. The ones I used were a different brand. So I thought we'd give them a shot. They were I think regular price $6.99 and then the 20% off coupon, so they're not too expensive. So that was my secondary one. Then I picked up these other Bremen, just the regular locking pliers. This is the 10 inch, and they're the exact same price. So I'll give those a shot. I'm still trying to fill up my toolbox in the basement. I got a couple sets of Craftsman locking pliers I keep out in the garage, but I thought it'd be good to have extra ones in my new Harbor Freight tool cabinet in the basement. My free item for this transaction was the power strip, because that's one of the things I've never gotten before. One of the few things I've never gotten before. I honestly think it's kind of crappy. It's just a little 4 outlet strip. Seems kind of like cheap plastic and everything, but who knows. I'm sure it'll be good for little things. And then, things that were actually part of the parking lot sale, because those 4 items were not. I picked up the 7-inch wire strippers, because normal price is like $4.99, $5.99, something like that. But in the parking lot sale, they're only $1.99, which seemed like a really good deal. So that's for the entire weekend if you're interested in them. My first instinct is I really hate the handles, but maybe I'll do a review on it down the road. The thing I don't like about them is, I don't know if you'd be able to see it on the camera, but there's like a little gap. So the way they're making it a cushion is there's 2 layers of handle. There's a tight layer that's right around the metal handles, and then there's like a second layer with a little air gap between there, and it makes it kind of give it a quick, cushy, let's see, feel to it. But the ends, like where you actually, where your fingers are, where you squeeze, it just feels like bare metal practically. I don't know, they don't feel very comfortable, but they're going to be my backup set, and they're only $1.99, so I kind of feel like for $1.99 you can't go wrong. Well, if they don't cut for shit, I guess you're going wrong, but... So we got those. And then I got... I went in just planning on getting 2 of these V hangers, little wall hangers. In the picture they show them holding extension cords. I thought also maybe an air hose, or putting 2 of them together and being able to hold, yeah, of course they're not going to stand on their own, but anyway, hold like a weed whacker or something, mount them in the shed. I don't know, but they're only 99 cents. Regular price is $1.99, so it's not like a huge savings. But I thought I got to be able to use those for something. They look pretty handy for 99 cents each. And then another item that was actually an inside Track Club coupon, not a parking lot sale, was these long handle trimmers. They call them steel handle lopper. And they got this nice, well, it seems like would be nice cushion grip on the bottom. I don't know if it says how long they are, but I'm guessing 24 inches or more. I don't know, doesn't say. But they look pretty useful. It comes with this little baggy thing over there. I would imagine mostly to protect from cutting yourself or something while it's in the store. But I like that it's got this little hook. If this doesn't rip, it'd be a good way to store them. So we picked that up. And then we're saving the best for last here. Let's see if I can get it in the screen. The Portland electric pole saw. And I decided to go with this one because, well, it's in the sale for, you see it's right on the top here, $49.99, which is about half price, I guess. It says 50%, but the regular price is $80, so... Oh, it's the compare at price. Yeah, them bastards always do that. Okay. So I decided to get the Portland one that is a plug-in electric. It's not battery operated. But the Lynx one, they have a pole saw, basically the same thing. The brand they use for that is Lynx, and it's like a 40-volt battery. But it's 3 times the price. It's like $150 compared to the $50 I paid for this one. And I don't know how much I'm going to use it. I don't know how well it'll hold up. So I thought, let's go with the cheap one. And I just don't know. I've never had a pole saw. I have a regular chainsaw. So we'll see how it goes, how I like it. If I like the idea of a pole saw, then maybe I'll spring for the Lynx one. But this is a cheap option for now. It was kind of funny, though. The cashier asked about the extended warranty, of course. And I said, no, I don't want it because I don't ever buy that. And she goes, are you sure? Because this gets returned a lot. I was like, well, don't tell me that. Now I don't want to buy it. But one thing I do like is they use an Oregon bar and chain. So it should be pretty easy to get replacement parts whenever you do need to replace the chain or maybe the bar. It says 1.5 peak horsepower. Goes to 10 feet, I think. 8 feet 10 inches, so pretty close. I think it'll be useful. We'll do a review video down the road. And one thing about this is, I'm pretty sure, not positive because obviously I haven't used it, but I would imagine my little Harbor Freight $89.99 generator would be able to run this thing, so I'm not too worried about being away from an outlet and still being able to use it. I saw somewhere it says it's 7 amps, and that wood chipper, electric wood chipper I got the other day was like 14 amps. So I guess I can test both of them on that little generator, and I have no idea how you convert amps to watts, and that's why I don't know if it'll work or not. But anyways, guys, that's what I picked up. One thing that I really wanted, but just didn't work out for me this time, I do think it's a good deal, though, if you are interested, is that Yukon rolling cart there, the 46-inch one with the wood top. It's on sale for $199.99, and they had them sitting right in the front of the store too. I just got to stare at them as I was checking out. I fully intended when this ad came out to buy that tool cart to put out in the garage, but I'm recording this on April 20th, and on April 19th I woke up to snow on the ground and frost on my windshield. So what I'm trying to get at is I wanted to clean out the garage before buying something else to put into it. And I haven't gotten a chance. It's a detached 2-car garage full of shit, and I have to back out at least 1 car to be able to clean it, and with snow on the ground and just freezing, it's not heated. I just thought the weather would be nicer and I'd get a chance to go out there and do that beforehand, but couldn't. So I'm sure it'll be on sale again. It'll have a coupon. It'll be in a future parking lot sale. It's not like this will never come around, and it's not something I really need. I just thought it was cool and would want. So So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my website, struggleville.net. Have all the Harbor Freight coupons over there. Free item coupons, 20% off coupons. Also, I'll leave a link down below to my full review of this ad. We went through every single item in it to tell you what the good deals are and what the not so hot deals are. So I'll leave that link below. So thanks for watching, guys.